Benefit number 4 of the contemplative practice of mindful eating is the ability to tune down the external messages around what and how much to eat, and to begin to tune in to our internal guidance system. Our bodies have many, many internal messages that tell us a number of things. And in this case, when it comes to eating, are we physically hungry? Are we physically sated or physically full? And just how hungry are we? And I gotta say, working with people on what to eat as well as how to eat, and this is the big how to eat mindfully, but how to eat. Many people are not attuned to their own hunger and satiety system. So when we slow down and when we learn to begin to eat and really learn the timing of eating so that we're not starving, when we're not really, really, shakily hungry before we eat, but that we eat when we're just beginning to get hungry, and we stop eating when we're just gently satisfied. Or, 15 minutes of mindful eating should really provide us enough food to feel sated, to feel full. And as we do this practice of slowing down and tuning in to our sensory experience of eating, we begin to become more aware of the messages of hunger and satiety, which begins to guide that impossible question for us humans, like how much is enough, right? And as we begin to tune in to our own internal guidance system, we begin to notice when we're no longer physically hungry, right? And we can even begin to differentiate how it feels in our body to be physically hungry as opposed to emotionally hungry or impatient or thirsty, etc. So as we turn down those external messages, we can tune in to our internal guidance system. It's a practice for sure, but this is where this practice is going. Have a fantastic day. If this practice piques your interest, if you're interested in achieving some of the benefits of mindful eating, then please know that I do a lot of writing about this. I have a mini course, and I work with people every day with this beautiful practice. So I hope that you stay in touch with me, learn more about this, and keep me posted, because I want to know how it's going.